when you begin to experience slowdowns on your laptop or start encountering more errors. You may want to just run out and buy something new. If your laptop is 5 years old, then this is probably the best option. However, if it is 2 years old or less, chances are buying a new laptop is just a waste of money. Instead, you should try to reformat your laptop and reinstall Windows to restore your laptop to the best possible working conditions that you can. Now let's look at some reasons you should reformat your computer. 1. Your laptop won't boot. Have you ever experienced the fear involved when you turn your computer on only to find that you get an error when it tries to boot up? Or worse, a blank screen? It's happened to us all at one time or another. In some cases, this is caused by a hardware problem such as a faulty hard drive. But other times it is only because the system files required to boot up Windows have become corrupt over time. Before you rush out to have your computer looked at by a professional, consider first trying to reformat your laptop to see if that fixes the problem. If the problem is caused by faulty system software on your laptop, then a reformat could clear up the problem while at the same giving your laptop the refresh it needs to run as fast as it possibly can. 2. Your hard drive is full. A full hard drive can cause more than one type of problem for a laptop user once you get low on space. Not only will you not be able to save more files to your laptop, but you will also notice that it won't perform as well as it has in the past. So many things can cause your hard drive to fill up. You could be storing too many photos, music, movies, and documents. If this is the case, you need to find another place to store the files you don't use often. However, if you have cleared out as much as you can but are still really low on space, then it may be time to reformat your computer. 3. It's time to upgrade your OS. When Microsoft releases a new version of their operating system, such as their upcoming Windows 11, instead of just upgrading, you should consider just reformatting and starting fresh. OS upgrades are one of the best times to reformat your computer as it will already be offline for the large update. So why not take a few extra minutes to reformat and reinstall everything from scratch? That way, when you start using the latest version of Windows, you know it is installed on a system that is fresh, clean, and clear of any problems that could cause it to stop functioning. 4. You've upgraded your hardware. If you decide it's time to upgrade a piece of hard drive on your laptop, such as the hard drive, you will have to do a reinstall anyway. But no matter what you have decided to upgrade, while you are working on your computer, you may as well go ahead and do a reformat just so you are sure that everything runs correct. 5. You are getting lots of errors. Over time, your Windows registry could become corrupt and full of useless lines entries that do nothing but slow your machine down and cause random errors to begin appearing. Viruses are also notorious for doing this as well. If you are getting a lot of errors that interrupt you while you are working on your laptop but antivirus scans come up empty, you could still be infected. One of the easiest ways to clear up registry problems and wipe out that pesky virus for good is to perform a reformat of your hard drive and clean installation of Windows. 6. Your laptop is really slow. There can be many different causes of a slow laptop. The first is that over time the files stored on your hard drive have become disjointed, meaning it takes a long time for the read-write heads on your hard drive to find every part of the file on the hard drive and then display it. While you can clean up the disk, in many cases, users only see marginal improvement. The best way to make sure everything is stored where it should be is by reformatting the laptop. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumb up and hit the subscription button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.